Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of healthy chocolate banana ice cream which you can even eat when you're on diet. So the ingredients we need are 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 frozen bananas. Add all the ingredients into chopper. You can even use blender if you don't have chopper. As you can see, chocolate banana ice cream is ready. I have garnished with chocolate syrup and it's optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.